Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you about levers. Levers is something related to energy. This topic comes under energy. So today I'm going to teach you about what is a lever, principles of levers and the types of levers. So let's start. A lever. A lever is probably the simplest machine that we are most familiar with. It is a rod which can turn about the fulcrum. We use a lever in our daily life. An object to be moved is called the load or the resistance. The force applied to move the object is known as effort or power. The distance from the fulcrum to the load is known as load arm, while the distance from the fulcrum to the effort is known as effort arm. Now, principles of levers. Load into load arm equals effort into effort arm. If you want to find the load or the load arm or the effort arm, they give you mathematical calculations in physics also. So this is the formula for that particular question. So the second is load divided by effort equals effort arm divided by load arm. So next, third one is load and effort both together are called mechanical advantage. And the fourth point, therefore, because load and effort both together are called mechanical advantage, and load divided by effort is also equal to effort arm divided by load arm, that telling that mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm divided by load arm. Okay. Now the next is levers. Now I'm going to teach you about the types of levers. Let's start. There are three types of levers according to where the load and effort are located with respect to the fulcrum. So what is class 1 lever? In class 1, the fulcrum is between the effort and the load. So now I'll show you the image, you can understand by that. Okay, see over here, the fulcrum is in the middle. The effort and the load are in the sides. The fulcrum is between the load and the effort. I will be mentioning few examples. The examples are teeter-totter and oars on a boat. So the next is class 2. What is a class 2 lever? In class 2, the load is between the effort and the fulcrum. In class 1, we saw that fulcrum is between the effort and the load. But now load is between the effort and the fulcrum. So let's see the image. So the image is this one. You can see that load is in center. Load is in center. And effect and the fulcrum are in the sides, are at the edges. So now examples are wheelbarrow and nutcracker. Class 3. What is a class 3 lever? In class 3, the effort is in between the load and fulcrum. In class 1, the fulcrum was in between. In class 2, the load was in between. But in class 3, the effort is in between now. So let's see the image. See, the effort is in between and the fulcrum and the load are at the edges. So here's an example for you. The fisherman catches the fish, which becomes the load at the end of the lever. So here's a shoe, but we can keep it as fish. Now let's see. Now the fish or the shoe is the load, and the stick, right? At the middle, the man holds the stick. That is his effort. And at the end of the stick over here, at the end of the stick, that is the fulcrum. This point is the fulcrum. So the examples are fishing rod, which I showed over here, and a pair of tongs. Even forceps, they use it in hospitals. In class 1, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. In class 2, the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Now the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye. Happy learning.